Let there be.
Let there be.
Watch me turn into a werewolf, and I will haunt till the break of dawn. Don't you dare to try to stop me. This is the horn of the Black Swan.
Hey, what's going on, Insomniacs? Midnight Sun 518 here, and we are off on another adventure. I'm heading over to pick up a friend right now, and then we are going to be heading back up north to Tennessee, to the Smoky Mountains. I don't know if we're going to make it all the way up to Tennessee. It kind of depends. There's that camping spot that I ended up stopping at that one night. I don't know if I showed the entrances to the trails in that video. But either way, there's trails over there, which hopefully will be open right now, and we'll be able to check them out. If not, no big deal. See you on the road. I didn't know that there was 3 lanes. I thought it was just, oh, fuck me. They're out here somewhere. This is where all the cryptids hang out. Hanging out with Bigfoot. This is really pretty.
All I ever had. Wasn't born with tons of gifts. Had to work hard as a kid. Know that everything I did was to catch the other kids. Slowly built that self-esteem. Turned myself to a machine. I'd compete so I'd be seen. I would lose and I'd succeed. But you'd never see me quit. I'd always get after it. Knew I had a different gift. I'd outwork any other kid. Deep within our souls, we can feel there's something empty. We need something more. I feel destiny, she tempts me. Tells me there's 2 paths, they both have a different ending. Choose wise and you'll find that pain leads to ascending. Till I'm dead and buried deep within a cemetery. I will fight, never weary, I wanna be legendary. Till I'm dead and buried deep within a cemetery. I will fight, never weary, I wanna be legendary.
You ready, bud? Said, are you ready? Nope. And it's all done. Why do you think you like this?
Not yet.
Ooh, that was a good one. Nice.
Feel there's something empty. We need something more. I feel destiny. She tempts me. Tells me there's
Funny if this connects to a road.
Yeah, right? Why? Are they really? You're right, any of them. Dude, that's pretty. You see the water droplets coming down off of the rock face over there?
Right out of the rock.
Yeah. The back end is not attached.
It doesn't work.
There it goes.
Apparently there's another set of trails very close to where we are.
Oh yeah? Nice.
Ugh.
Gotta get this back left tire out. Come on. Come on, there it is. There it is. There it is. Oh, come on.
That sand just makes it spin.
Yeah, there it is. Got it. Looks like it's gonna go on its own. Please don't flip. Please don't flip. Oh.
Could be worse.
Watch it.
Oh my god. Oh, that has a flash mode?
Seizure.
You want this instead?
Yeah. Here we go. Aiming for the hole. Yeah, almost.
So let's say hypothetically you were a skinwalker.
Yep.
Whose skin would you steal?
I figured this is a great opportunity because, oh, whoa! When did you get good?
Shit.
I left your team and now you're suddenly a god at this game.
Whoa!
What the hell? I believe in you.
Your belief fucking fumbled me, dude. Tell me that you hate me.
I hate you. You suck. You're really bad at this game.
Maybe you're right. Maybe you're right.
It just looks like colored meteors appearing.
This one's for you, babe.
Let's go.
Do it for the views! Do it for the views! Almost there. There's the point over there. So it seemed like at the deepest, it's about 25 or 30 feet. Yeah, but going right around where I think the drone went down, probably a good 15 to 20 feet. Visibility from the glare and stuff on, even sunglasses on, it made it worse. But from the glare, really put it at about, I'd say 10 feet, looking down. I don't know if that's gonna be any better with snorkel gear or what. So the water is somewhere around 15 feet, 20 feet deep, right around the area that we'd be looking for the drone. And unfortunately, the visibility drops to effectively 0 after 10 feet. I don't know who put a flower on my friggin' ditch light, but it's cute. It's holding on for dear life right now. That's friggin' ridiculous. We're gonna start this fire like men.
Scorched eyebrow?
Yeah, with gasoline. I don't think you have to worry too much about the poison ivy. Let there be.
Stop out the
It's
window.
fine. Don't worry about it.
I say your last name and your first name are switched.
That's what I say.
Harrison Buffy.
So, for those of you that don't know, maybe you missed one of the previous overlanding vlogs and I'm making the table shake. So basically, we went out to that lake before. Hey, cat. We went out to that lake before, and my buddy was flying his DJI Mavic 3 over the lake and getting some really cool footage. Unfortunately, on the way back, he was skirting down 3 or 4 feet from the water, which is a bit close, but not unmanageable, and where the land kind of creates an hourglass shape on the lake. A wind gust came in and bopped the front end and it went straight down into the lake. Obviously we weren't able to retrieve it that weekend. The water was cold, we didn't have any equipment, any gear with us, so we were like, alright, let's make a trip, we'll go back, we'll try it again. That was this trip, and well, long story short, as you saw, we were not even close to being able to even see it. The water was too deep, it was too murky, and we didn't have any diving gear of any kind, and just going putt-putting around with snorkel gear wasn't going to be enough. So maybe there'll be a future rescue video where we go underwater and actually, you know, find it and recover it. The drone footage from this one is from another drone that we brought with us. So yeah, that was not the drone that went down. It was the one that we brought with us this time. Anyways, yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed. I didn't do an outro for some reason for this video, but we made it home safe and sound, and everything outside of the one drone is good to go. But anyways, I friggin' love that area. I love the Smoky Mountains, and I cannot wait to get more exploring done. Now that the truck is being more and more outfitted for overlanding and that kind of stuff, I'm probably going to start looking into Gaia GPS or Onyx Off-Road, so I can find more trail locations in the area and we can actually start hitting some real off-roading and some obstacles. I just need people to go with. So anyways, yeah, catch you guys next time. Midnight Sun out.